Did you know that most business grants take months to get approved? And some entrepreneurs never hear back at all. But what if I told you there's a way to fast track the process and dramatically increase your approval chances? Today, I'm breaking down the secret formula to get your business grant approved fast. And stick around, because I'll share the ultimate tool that makes this process effortless. Let's dive in. First, let's bust a huge myth. The more grants you apply for, the higher your chances. Wrong. If you're applying for every grant you see, you're actually wasting time and making approval even slower. The fastest way to get approved? Precision. Here's what high success entrepreneurs do differently. They apply only for grants where their business perfectly matches the funder's mission. They avoid grants with complicated, vague requirements. Those slow everything down. They use a specific filtering strategy. I'll share how in a second. Want to know the fastest way to find grants that actually fund businesses like yours? Hold that thought. I'll reveal it soon. Okay, let's talk about applications. Most people think filling out all the sections equals getting approved. But the truth, it's not about what you write. It's about what reviewers want to see. Here's a high-speed approval hack. Make your proposal so clear and compelling that the reviewer doesn't even have to think. Avoid long-winded explanations. Funders need proof, not fluff. Show impact immediately. Explain exactly how the funds will be used to drive results. Sounds simple, right? But how do you craft the kind of proposal that reviewers love? I'll show you the shortcut in just a sec. Most entrepreneurs submit an application and just wait. Huge mistake. Here's the trick to get a faster approval. Strategic follow-ups. Send a polite, well-timed email right after submission asking about the review process. If they request additional info, respond within 24 hours. If denied, don't quit. Most grants allow reapplications, and now you know what to improve. Now, imagine if you had access to a team of experts who handle all of this for you. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's exactly where grantfunds.com comes in. Listen, writing the perfect grant, finding the best opportunities, and following up all take time. And if you're serious about securing funding fast, you need an edge. That's why grantfunds.com exists. Instant access to the best grants for your business. Expert grant writers who craft winning proposals for you. A proven system to fast track approvals so you get funded without the stress. Why waste time struggling when grantfunds.com makes it easy? Go to grantfunds.com now and take the fast lane to getting your business funded. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge with getting grant approvals? Let's talk. And don't forget, follow as Grant Funds on all social media platforms for daily grant tips, funding opportunities, and expert insights to help you secure your next big win. Money is out there, but the fastest wins go to those who take action. Visit grantfunds.com now and take the fast lane to funding success. See you in the next video.